Okay, everyone.
Once the next car comes in, I'm gonna stop the
It's
video.
signaling right now to go ahead.
Yeah,
I guess
this
he's
guy-
waiting for the guy to go ahead for
here
the
we go.
dryers.
Here we go. He's going
Ooh,
undercarriage.
really fast too.
Yeah.
You can see on the carriage.
Yeah.
Oh,
And is he gonna have to back up? No.
Nope. So yeah, let's take a look and see what wash he got. I hope he got the Touchless.
We'll find out.
Yeah, this is a brand new.
Nope.
Ultimate wash.
Oh, I already got a nozzle that's
Yeah, not working well.
Oh, wait, it could be. Oh yeah.
Yeah, not working well. Today we will be doing the Ultimate Soft Touch Wash and the Premium Touchless Wash to compare it. We'll do the expansion.
Hey, after just the tri-foam, I'm gonna stop the video.
Yeah. And it looks like it's doing the tri-foam. Yes, it is.
I only got 69 minutes on my camera.
Okay, so... Oh, the garage door is closing right here for some reason.
Okay.
Oh, a nice coverage.
Okay.
Anyways, I think I'm going to stop the video. Oh, wait.
Watch the
We
brushes
can...
deploy.
Yeah. And there it goes from marks and brushes. Oh, wait. We can get the tire scrubbers going because this wash includes tire scrubbers.
I already stopped the video.
Yeah, but we can view for tire scrubbers before we leave.
Yeah.
So before I stop the video, let's get a view of the tire scrubbers. Going. Okay, so it's not happening yet. Why is the tire scrubbers not going?
Oh.
What?
I don't know. Could have been the option he chose. He could have gotten something else.
Well, originally for the Ultimate Wash, people usually get the tire scrubbers for some reason on the first pass. If you got in the Ultimate, right? So yeah, maybe he will get the tire scrubbers on the second pass. You can see the machine going back. It's really not hitting the car really well. Now it is.
Pretty interesting light fixtures up there.
Yeah. Oh, I can see the timer too.
I don't even know if that's a timer or not.
I don't know. Or maybe the time. That used to be like a radius, by the way.
Yeah. I actually had a feeling that radius wasn't gonna last.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's take a look and see if the tire scrubbers actually works. And if so, we'll find out if it. We'll see if it
try not to get the plate.
I will not do anyways. Oh yes, it is.
Okay.
It's hitting the bumper. Hitting the bumper of a car. Why is it hitting the bumper?
Well, I mean, it's a new. Oh.
It is.
It's washing the wheel properly.
Yeah. Well, it's playing for something for rocker panel blasters with it. For some, I honestly don't know why it got the back bumper. It did the same thing to the Davis Drive wash. Let's get the front wheel. Okay, I will get the front wheel and then I will pause it. You can see it in action.
Well, not yet.
Okay. Now, I will pause it now, and I will start it back up as soon as we input colors right now. So see you then. Okay, so right now we are going to the code machine. You can see. We're going to get the touchless wash.
Got mist on our window.
What was in my window? Okay.
Sounds a
I
bit
guess
like
it
a
just
car
does
horn.
that.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
he said go ahead now.
Okay.
He messed up. He missed a 3 spot.
Oh dear.
Look.
That's odd.
It says drive ahead.
Back up. He's backing up for some reason. He missed. No wonder he missed a 3 spot. He
I
had
wonder why the backup light doesn't work properly.
Yeah, you're right. Now, please wait to enter your code for sign saying.
I am waiting.
Oh,
Okay.
I think we actually put it in the car.
Yeah, I think we could put in the
No, wait,
code.
hold on.
Yeah,
What's it says we do?
I think we have to wait for the code. Yeah, we do. That's the first to this new wash. So anyways, I think we have to pause it right here and start it back up as soon as the guys out of the wash bay. So be back for a minute. Okay, we can go ahead.
Okay, we're
So we are
going inside
into the wash.
this brand spanking new Mark VII.
undercarriage. This is a touch-free wash, by the way.
Okay,
You can see the Mark 7 logo. You can see the undercarriage really well. So, let's see how it goes. Oh, are we on the tractor already? Nope, we're
no,
not.
we're not.
We're on the rail.
Go nuts.
Mom, we're on the rail,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. I'm fixing.
Oh, there we go. Get on the tractor.
Okay.
No, back
Nope,
up.
back up.
Well,
Back
it
up.
says drive ahead,
You have to
everybody.
back up.
You think
It says stop, you
There
guys.
we go.
I know.
No, you put it in park.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, let the touch-free experience
I'm
begin.
sorry, I never
Yeah.
can do this right.
Yeah,
It's
that's
okay, Mom. It's okay.
Yeah.
That's why we take you. Okay.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
here we go.
Okay, starting out with a pre-soak.
Okay.
Nice coverage.
I like this new signage you got here.
You have a touch bars coming down at the back.
This replaced a Ryko radius.
Yeah. But I did an outside feel off.
Smell that soap.
Yeah, I think the tri-foam should smell for nice. Yeah, coming.
Again.
Oh, doing the back for a second coating of pre-soak. Yeah, that's coming back. Yeah, coming back for another coating of pre-soak. I really like the new signage. Yeah, nice coverage of that too. We should see the touch bar in action again as it comes down for the front. Yep.
It's one thing I like about these Mark 7 touch-free washes.
Yeah. Seems like it has like less non-soaps than the other washes I went to. Now we
Now, we should be getting the tri-foam. It's going to come out of the side.
and the tire scrubbers.
Touch-free tire scrubbing, I think.
Yeah.
Blue's messed up on this side. Nope.
Well, the tri-foam was really good. That's for sure. Now we should begin for high pressure rinse.
Here we go.
Yeah? For touch recycle.
I love how they sound like a barrel like. Now it's activating the side. We're washing it off. Really good.
Yeah, we should be either touch recycle coming from the front this time.
Everyone else seems to be getting the soft touch washes
The
here.
ultimate wash.
We may be the first people of the day to be getting the touch free. If you look closely, there is a broken rotating nozzle there.
Yeah, you can see it well. Now it's doing.
Let's see what happens.
Now it's doing.
Now
the
applying something.
I think the Shine Guard Plus or the Extreme Shield. Yeah, the Extreme Shield.
It's got a bit of. Oh, just popped a bubble of tri-foam there. And here's a new addition to Mark 7. When the sign says drive ahead, the horn now goes off. And it sounds like a car horn too.
Yeah. If you listen closely.
Well, they're probably gonna hear it.
Yeah. You will hear it more clearly with a soft touch wash.
Right, get it this now?
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, we can go half of the
Let's
dryer.
do it.
Let's see how these marksman dryers do.
Vortex.
Vertex, I should say.
It's okay.
Okay, take it nice and slow through there.
Yep.
I don't know how many dryer timer, how many seconds of a dryer
The dryer
timer.
timer is not
There it
visible
is,
yet.
here we go. 50 seconds of a dryer time.
Thank you. The drive ahead sign is still blinking.
Yeah. Yeah. Really interesting how we put the dryer timer on a different spot.
Something's blocking it.
Yeah.
Thank you for getting one.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
And now we're going to get another
Yeah,
one.
we're going to
But
be
it's
getting
different.
Okay.
yeah.
We left, and we
We're gonna
left
have
10
two
seconds.
car washes.
Yeah, 2 car washes.
Monday.
There's Tim Hortons truck.
Okay, so we're going to
Yeah.
pull over and
Pull
do
over
our
here and
inspection,
switch.
right?
Yeah, see how well the touch wash
You
did.
know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull over this way, guys, because we won't be able to get out over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was interesting.
It was.
It was $14.99 for
Well,
the
and
premium
guess what?
wash.
It's only
Without
us,
gas purchase?
so we can
Without.
just pull over, pull back into line, stop and do the inspection, and then
Yeah.
off we go.
Yeah, do the self-touch wash.
Okay,
I'm gonna-
here we
Here we
are
go.
for
Video
the
here.
inspection.
And here we go. The side here.
This is how the
It left a little bit of soap here.
this is how the touch-free wash came out.
Yeah. Little
I
bit.
don't care too much about the dryer quality.
Yeah.
It left a bit up here.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a little bit of soap here. And stuff like that. Thank God we are getting
A
enough.
little more soap down here.
Wow, I can see it. I don't think it rinsed back good here, to be honest.
A little over here.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Improvement when
Most
they'll
up here, I
improve
should
it
say.
up as it gets upgraded.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's how the touch-free did.
Yeah. Let's do for soft touch.